Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this vase I got from Dollar Tree. I start by painting it with vintage mustard chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. I gave that 2 coats. Once that's completely dry, I'm using a stencil brush and I'm brushing on a small amount of khaki color acrylic paint, and I'm kind of trying to get it in between those grooves just to give it a little bit more definition. Next, I am lightly penciling on an oval shape, more towards the bottom of the vase, and then fill that in with black acrylic paint. And then I'm taking this piece, which is off a back of a 2025 calendar from Dollar Tree, and I'm taking some cardstock and applying Mod Podge to that, and then placing down that piece from the calendar, smoothing that out, and then drying that with my heat tool. Once that's dry, I trim that up. Next, I'm taking some twine and wrapping it around that top part of the vase, tying it in a knot and making a small bow, leaving the tails a little bit long. And then add a small amount of hot glue to the back of that cardstock and attach it to one of those tails. Next, I take a small bead that I got from Temu and hot glue that to the bow. And I do add some florals into this vase. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.